Good day to you. I would like to make an oil lamp for my dining room. I will be using this bead with a wide opening and a ring used for making jewelry, and it should have the same inside diameter as the bead. A push pin, and this one must be clear. A little piece of an earring. A tea light, LED magnetic earrings, and I will only need one. And the first thing to do, this is really going to be a very simple project. The first thing to do is to glue together the bead and the ring. And if I put the metal part of the push pin on the tea light and count to 10, I found that it releases the pin easily. If I keep it longer, it will start to melt the pin. And I will be using E6000 adhesive throughout the entire project. It doesn't dry immediately, but it provides a very strong bond once it's dry. The push pin goes on top. This is really very simple. And this part of the earring is going to be glued to the push pin, and so it will allow us to turn the oil higher or lower. The pretend oil. And for the light source, one of the earrings, you can find this online. Just search for magnetic LED light up earrings and make sure that they do not flash for this project. It has a magnet on the bottom, and see how quickly it grabs that little piece of jewelry that's going to be the base. And to turn them on, you just twist it. And I selected a yellow color because it's oil light. And that is it. It is the simplest little oil lamp, so quickly to make. It really works, and it's so pretty. I would like you to let me know if you might want to complete this project on your own in the comment section. And I thank you so much for watching our channel. Have a wonderful day.